I brush my hair. I brush my hair. He takes a shower. He takes a shower. She wears a dress. She wears a dress. We eat dinner. We eat dinner. You drink milk. You drink milk. They sleep late. They sleep late. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. He closes his eyes. He closes his eyes. She listens to music. She listens to music. We watch the news. We watch the news. You wash your face. You wash your face. They clean the floor. They clean the floor. The baby crawls. The baby crawls. The boy studies hard. The boy studies hard. The girl helps her mom. The girl helps her mom. The teacher writes on the board. The teacher writes on the board. The clock shows time. The clock shows time. The door makes noise. The door makes noise. The phone vibrates. The phone vibrates. I make my bed. I make my bed. He irons his clothes. He irons his clothes. She sweeps the floor. She sweeps the floor. We clean the kitchen. We clean the kitchen. You water the garden. You water the garden. They feed the cat. They feed the cat. I carry the bag. I carry the bag. He lifts the box. He lifts the box. She opens her laptop. She opens her laptop. We start the meeting. We start the meeting. You check the email. You check the email. They send a message. They send a message. I take a photo. I take a photo. He draws a map. He draws a map. She paints a picture. She paints a picture. We read the newspaper. We read the newspaper. You learn new words. You learn new words. They write an essay. They write an essay. The child runs fast. The child runs fast. The man works hard. The man works hard. The woman smiles kindly. The woman smiles kindly. The driver honks the horn. The driver honks the horn. The bus turns left. The bus turns left. The car goes straight. The car goes straight. The plane flies high. The plane flies high. The train moves slowly. The train moves slowly. The ship sails far. The ship sails far. The fish jumps out. The fish jumps out. The bird builds a nest. The bird builds a nest. The bee makes honey. The bee makes honey. The cow gives milk. The cow gives milk. The horse runs fast. The horse runs fast. The sheep eats grass. The sheep eats grass. The goat climbs hills. The goat climbs hills. The duck swims well. The duck swims well. The hen drinks water. The hen drinks water. The farmer grows wheat. The farmer grows wheat. The cook cuts vegetables. The cook cuts vegetables. The waiter serves food. The waiter serves food. The doctor checks patients. The doctor checks patients. The nurse gives medicine. The nurse gives medicine. The police catch thieves. The police catch thieves. The soldier guards the border. The soldier guards the border. The fireman stops fire. The fireman stops fire. The driver drives safely. The driver drives safely. The cleaner mops the floor. The cleaner mops the floor. The gardener cuts grass. The gardener cuts grass. The baker bakes bread. The baker bakes bread. The fisherman catches fish. The fisherman catches fish. The postman delivers letters. The postman delivers letters. The tailor sews clothes. The tailor sews clothes.